West Warning Equipment Sales and Service, Augusta, Georgia. Today I want to demonstrate how to mount a surface mount light head. First thing you do is choose your location, and then you'll want to measure out to get it even with the other side. You'll want to drill out the center holes for the wire. After your wire hole is drilled, you take the light, put it up, and then you can mark the holes for the mounts. And in this case, it's 2 outer ears. After determining the location, and I would typically use nuts and bolts to do a surface mount light head, but in this case there's a channel behind here preventing us from getting the nuts on and tightening them properly with a wrench. So in this case we're using the screws that came with the surface mount light head that were intended for it by the manufacturer. Successfully mounted light head.